What if the key to solving one of the biggest challenges in electric vehicles today lies in the very batteries powering them? Imagine a world where instead of depleting resources to make new batteries, we could simply recycle the ones we already have, over and over again. This isn't a distant dream, it's a reality we're rapidly approaching. But how close are we to making battery recycling a true closed-loop system? Stay tuned as we uncover the future of EV battery recycling and how this could change everything we know about electric vehicle sustainability. Battery recycling might sound simple at first glance, but in reality, it's a massive challenge that impacts the long-term future of electric vehicles. As the world shifts toward EVs, the demand for lithium, cobalt, and other critical minerals only increases. Without a sustainable solution for battery disposal and repurposing, we could face shortages, price hikes, and environmental damage. In this video, we'll first dive into the current state of EV battery recycling, then explore the cutting-edge technologies that are aiming to revolutionize the process. And finally, we'll take a look at what the future holds if we can achieve a truly closed-loop system. By the end, you'll understand exactly how recycling could secure a sustainable future for EVs. Battery recycling is critical to reducing the environmental impact of electric vehicles. Today, only about 5% of all lithium-ion batteries are recycled effectively, and this number needs to grow exponentially. EV batteries are made up of rare materials such as lithium, cobalt, and nickel, which are expensive and labor-intensive to extract. As demand for EVs increases, so too will the need for these materials. The problem? Mining these elements has significant environmental costs. Recycling is not only environmentally beneficial, but also economically necessary. However, the existing infrastructure for recycling is underdeveloped. Batteries are often discarded improperly or not broken down to their full potential. A massive gap exists between the potential for recycling and what's actually being done. This inefficiency results in wasted resources and environmental pollution. Have you ever wondered why only a fraction of EV batteries are being recycled today? Drop a comment below if you think this number can improve in the near future. Recycling EV batteries is not as simple as tossing them into a collection bin. The chemistry and construction of these batteries are complex, making them difficult to break down. Furthermore, many current recycling methods are inefficient and costly. The most common process, mechanical separation, involves crushing the batteries and separating their components manually. While it works in theory, this process fails to recover valuable metals like lithium and cobalt, which are crucial for new batteries. One of the main challenges is the lack of standardized designs. EV manufacturers use various battery chemistries, making it hard to recycle them at scale. For instance, Tesla's battery pack is designed differently from the ones used in GM or Nissan vehicles. This diversity in designs complicates the recycling process and increases costs. What's more costly than a new EV battery? A recycling system that isn't equipped to handle them all. What's your take? Should EV makers standardize battery designs to improve recycling? Despite these challenges, there is hope. New technologies are emerging to address the scalability and efficiency issues of EV battery recycling. One promising development is hydrometallurgical recycling, a method that uses chemicals to dissolve the battery components and recover metals with higher purity. Another key technology is direct recycling, which aims to reuse the battery's key components, such as the anodes, cathodes, and electrolytes, in their original state. This process preserves the structure and function of the materials, making it more efficient than traditional methods. Companies like Redwood Materials, founded by Tesla's ex-CT OJB Straubel, are pushing this forward, pioneering new methods to take apart batteries with minimal damage to their valuable materials. Additionally, advancements in robotics and AI are beginning to automate the battery disassembly process. These systems are becoming faster and more precise, which could reduce costs and improve recycling rates. With these breakthroughs on the horizon, could we be witnessing the dawn of a true closed-loop system for EV batteries? Let me know what you think in the comments. The ultimate goal for EV battery recycling is to create a closed-loop system where batteries are continuously recycled into new ones with minimal loss of materials. Achieving this would reduce reliance on mining and ensure that critical materials remain in circulation, mitigating the environmental impacts of extraction. Experts predict that by 2030, we could reach a point where EV batteries are consistently recycled at the end of their lifespan and reused to build new batteries. Companies like Northvolt in Sweden are already planning to recycle up to 50% of the materials in their batteries by 2030. If successful, this could dramatically reduce costs and make EVs more affordable in the long run. Furthermore, a closed-loop system could help stabilize the market for critical minerals like lithium. As more batteries are recycled and reused, supply chains become less dependent on raw material extraction, potentially avoiding the volatility that plagues the industry today. Could EVs one day be fully sustainable without a single new battery being mined? Would that make you more confident in the future of electric vehicles? Tell us in the comments. As we look toward a future with better recycling processes, consumers also have a role to play. Encouraging the proper disposal of used batteries, supporting companies with strong recycling initiatives, and investing in EVs from manufacturers who prioritize sustainability will all drive progress. Governments, too, must implement stronger regulations that incentivize recycling and penalize improper disposal. With the right infrastructure and incentives, the transition to a closed-loop system could be expedited. Consumers and industry players alike must work together to build a recycling ecosystem that will allow electric vehicles to flourish without compromising the planet. To summarize, the future of EV battery recycling looks promising, but we're not there yet. While we face significant challenges, emerging technologies in hydrometallurgy, direct recycling, and automation could make a closed-loop system a reality by 2030. This shift would not only reduce our reliance on mining, but also help make electric vehicles more sustainable and affordable for everyone. Ultimately, the success of EV recycling will depend on the collaboration between manufacturers, consumers, and policymakers. By supporting responsible recycling efforts and continuing to innovate, we can create a sustainable future for electric vehicles. So what's your take on the future of battery recycling? Imagine a future where an EV battery never becomes waste. Instead of being discarded, it's recycled, refined, and reborn into a new battery again and again. Less mining, less environmental damage, more sustainability. This closed-loop system could redefine how electric vehicles power the world. Do you think we'll reach a closed-loop system by 2030? Or is it still a long shot? Drop your thoughts below. And as always, if you want to stay ahead of the curve with in-depth, data-driven content on all things EV, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join the House of EV community. Stay informed, stay green, and drive smarter.